ACH Bolj Ljubljana. Torej, pred tekmo z Lokomotivo bodo nekaj besed zagovorili predstavniki klubov. Za oranžne zmaje sta tukaj trener Zoran Sudačič in pa Jan Pokeršnik. Za Lokomotiv Novo Steklizko pa sta predstavnika trener Plamen Konstantinov in pa Georg Jozef. Besedo bom predala kar gospodu Sudačiču, da pove, kako so se pripravljali na to tekmo in kakšne so ambicije ter obeti za sredino tekmo.
Najprej lep pozdrav vsem skupaj. Pripravljali pred tekmo, tudi pred vsako drugo smo pač budemo ritmo tekem, kaj prej kot po tekmi s Palmito, nismo že razmišljati, saj igralci ne so se že nekaj časa pripravljali na to tekmo, nasprotnik je znan že nekaj časa, naša scout služba ima vse podatke, imamo kar nekaj tekem od njih, zelo dobro sodelujejo, kluba med sabo, tako da tudi oni imajo naše posnetke. V prvi vrsti si želim, da izkoristimo Tivoli maksimalno, kar pomeni seveda, da je potrebno vršiti tisk s servisom, vsem po drugi strani je dobro sprejema, da lahko razvijemo svojo igro. Na oni strani mreži postavili nekaj različnih odbojkarjev, imajo, bom rekel, pravi bombarderje na servisu in pa tudi na napadu, tako da v prvi vrsti mislim, da bo odločilno to, kako bomo servirali in sprejemali, da smo lahko se pogovarjali o čemer tudi drugem. Pa sami vejo, da je to velik izziv, ni treba ponavljati, smo tik pred skupinskim delom Lige prvakov, tako da mislim, da motivacije ne bo manjkalo.
Jan, kakšno je vzdušje v ekipi, kako se fantje počutijo pred tekmo?
Vzdušje je zaenkrat fenomenalna ekipa, res samo zavestno, saj letos praktično ne poznamo porazno. Za vas reči moram, da letos nekih težkih tekmic nismo imeli z preko to soboto, ker so pokazali, da ima ekipa ni karakter, da se lahko bori, da znamo priti nazaj iz tistih težkih situacij. Mislim, da je pred nami ena odlična tekma, kjer pač je dejansko vse možno.
Ste v tem tekmovanju mislim že pridobili prav mero samozavesti za takšno tekmo, kot je Lokomotiva?
Ja, jaz mislim, da. Tudi že v prejšnjih letih smo se nekaj naučili v Ligi prvakov in pokazali, da konkuriramo največjim klubom v Evropi. Tudi mislim, da to ne bo predvideno.
Hvala. Now this part of the press conference will be held in English. First of all, welcome guys. Slovenia, Mr. Konstantinov, have you ever played against the Slovenian team before?
Just national.
Just national team?
European Cups, first time I'm here with the team, and I can say that we are happy first of all that chance to come back like a club in the Champions League. It's the highest level in Europe, so I think that it's nice for me like a coach, also for the club. Also, I think it's very important like the motivation for the players. Champions League. I think that Georg can confirm that one of the reasons that choose us, maybe it was also Champions League. So we know that still we are not qualified for the pools. Will be very tough and difficult games. I know that always here is difficult to play and to get a good result, but I hope that first of all will be a nice match tomorrow, and we need to fight. I know this because we have a very interesting, balanced team. I like the way you mentioned that we was looking. I like the way that they are good organized. So maybe not with the superstars, but in volleyball it's not enough. The most important is to have a good team and a balanced team. With a good playing system, I think that the team is like this. I'm expecting
was your season going so far?
Unfortunately, we didn't make the best start of the season. First of all, we had also some injury problems that they didn't give us chance until now to work on completely like a team. We was always missing some important players, like for example with the girl that always 1 month didn't play with us, unfortunately. But I'm happy that we recovered him slowly. He will, I think, he will start to play better. He needs a little bit time for sure to come back because 1 month without volleyball, it's difficult to start immediately and to stay on the top level. But I can see that last 3 or 4 days that he started to jump. Every day I think that he's feeling better. He's getting back his feeling, and I hope that he can help us for these matches. Also, some other players had some problems. You know, when you have international level players, they play all the summer in the national team. We have like 5 national players. This is always a problem first part of the season because almost they are coming after the big competitions. They go down physically, also mentality. They need some period to come back, and this is what is when you want to have top level players. This is part of the game. So you need to be very more patient, and I hope that we will find our best way to play during the Russian League and also I hope Champions League.
Okay, thank you. And there has been another situation with an injury. Will you be able to play tomorrow?
This is the deciding from the coach if I play or not.
But
But I am ready to help the team. I try my best to find a way again in the team, and I think this is now the most important. And yeah, of course, tomorrow, like the coach says, will be a very tough game. I played 1 time here already in 2011, and it was also the tough game. And Ljubljana have always, like coach say, good team and interesting game. So I think it will be the fight tomorrow.
okay, so you knew Pat Cavalli before.
Yeah, but I think change from that time. It's already I think 6 years or like this. But if you ask about Ljubljana, you hear always that they have a good team.
And how is team prepared? Your team prepared?
It's good practice and mentally is the most important. No, we need to play like team. It's the most important is how we play, and this is I think the number 1. And this feeling we still searching because like the coach say that we had some injury problems, some difficult moments. So we are searching each other in the team. So this needs a little bit time, but like I come to Novosibirsk. It was one reason because the Champions League, and I am happy to be back after 2 years. And this is one big goal by me to, of course, to win this game and qualify to the Champions League, and after to make the big step.
Zdaj pa je čas za vaše vprašanja, tako da kar na plan.
Za gospoda Kedečiča, kakšne so možnosti proti Lokomotivi? 70-30, 50-50, ki jih boste našli, vemo, kakšna ekipa je Lokomotiva, četrta ruskega prvenstva.
Ja, vedno so možnosti, pač to je športa, ne glede na ekipo, ne glede na vse. Ja, na drugi strani ekipa stoji, kjer je 12 igralcev, treba se na 12 igralcev pripraviti, ne recimo na 6, imajo menjave na vsakem mestu, bom rekel, vrhunske. Pač prvi se ne smemo strašiti izziva, no? To je moje mnenje. In znamo igrati odbojko, znamo dobro servirati, znamo dobro sprejemati. Ni tukaj rekel, detajl on, detajl ta, treba poigrati. Predvsem se bo treba stepsti in ne opustiti, tudi ko bo oni pritisnali, pa ko bo težava, pa ko bomo dobili, ne vem, kakšen nas, ne smemo poklekniti. Treba je govoriti na terenu, treba je biti samo zavesten in ne pustiti, da nam nasprotnik prehiter najde ritem. Ker pomembno je to, da pridemo v končnicah blizu in mislim, da je vse potem odprto in še enkrat. Ne bomo govorili o procentih, številkah, kakorkoli želite, lahko delate primerjave, ne vem, takšne ali drugačne, treba pač razumeti, da je šport zelo nepredvidljiv in lahko se zgodi vse.
Eni so primerjali to razmerje moči kot Maribor, Liverpool.
Ja, lahko bi zdaj tako rekli. Recimo, čist na mesto primerjava ni nič narobe. Še enkrat, ni to pomembno, v prvi vrsti je bilo pomembno, kako bomo mi šli v tekmo in da se borili s tem, to ni nič takega, če je to šport. Treba je, če delaš nekaj z neko strastjo, pa se trudiš vsak dan maksimalno, ve zakaj si tu, si profesionalc, tu si da probaš zmagati, vsakič in to je cilj in nič drugače ne bo. Ne glede na nasprotno, pravim še enkrat, vsem dolžnim spoštovanjem, to pač je šport.
Mr. Konstantinov, your team have 10 times higher budget than ACH. Will it be catastrophe if you don't go to the Champions League?
I cannot say catastrophe, but we hope that we want to qualify for in the Champions League. If you know the money they don't play. We play 6 against 6 on the court. Not mean that we're going to be 15 on the court because we have more money, we spend more money. So how much is the budget? The budget give us a chance to take some more quality players. But for us, the main problem, maybe starting of the season this period, is that we change from the starting 6 last year, we changed 5 players. So we start from 0. And this is our main problem in this period, so we need to make a team. We have a good players, but these good players, they must become a team. We are still not, while I see this period starting maximally slowly showing in some moments a very good game, but we don't have this stability during all the match or in a row 2 matches. So we need to find this stability during this period, and it's coming, it's early now, starting the Champions League, but we need to fight. We don't have our chance, and our goal is to reach the pools of the Champions League, so we are fighting.
Are you under a lot of pressure? Did the president demand you to go to the Champions League?
No.
No.
I'm trying to balance and to not let directors and president to put so much pressure on the player. I'm trying to stay in the middle. So for me, maybe it will be more. It's more pressure for me that I have to let go. But I know that they won't.
Do you fear that your players will underestimate the players who play? No?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so because what we know, what we saw, and what we know, this is a club that last 10, 12 years in a row as a champion. You don't have a good league, maybe, but you play also Merza, that it's giving not bad level of volleyball and chance for a lot of European teams in Middle Europe to keep on a good level of league. So no, it's in Europe it's always difficult and doesn't matter. Also small countries like Slovenia, I know also in Bulgaria the league a lot of players, our players play away. But if you play a Champions League, you can take all the best players that remain here, and will be always difficult. So maybe you don't have a strong league, but you can have one really strong league.
Zoran, pred tekmo z Brškim ste bili nezadovoljni z igro. Ne? Se je zdaj ta ekipa zdaj že bolj približala te naše viziji, kako mora igrati?
Ja, pa definitivno, pred tekmo z Brškim nismo vedeli, kaj pričakovati. Ena stvar, ne? Tam nismo imeli nekaj dosti informacij glede Brškega, predvsem smo tam še ustvarjali neko ekipo, kar prej trener kolega govoril o ekipi. Ne? Tudi mi smo zamenjali nekaj igralcev, tudi mi smo imeli iste probleme pri nas, je potrebno bilo postaviti sistem igre, potrebno se je zaupati med sabo, potrebno je postaviti komunikacijo med igralci. Vse te zadeve, poleg tega je bil prvi krog, je bil pritisk na nas, ne na Brškega, malo drugače. Zopet, tako da, ja, vsi ti pogoji, ampak mislim, da smo daleč. Brškega naredili smo korak naprej, miselnosti igralcev v ekipi, vidi se borbeno, vidi se želja, mislim, da je čisto nekaj drugega, kot pač mesec nazaj, tako da je razlika.